Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm doing a quick review on Test and Compare, the new A/B testing for your thumbnails. If you don't have it, definitely check and see if you do. How you check for it is really super simple. Just go to one of your videos and you'll see here is I have one here that's already set up, but three different banners looks like. But if you don't have it, you'll look like a plain banner. Go to the three dots right here, click on that, and you'll see if you have Test and Compare. If you do, it's right there. Click on that, and what opens up a window, and you can actually put three different thumbnails. Now, what that's going to do is give YouTube some information, and it's going to keep playing different thumbnails and see which one actually generates a better result. I'm going to show you one real quickly in 1 minute. I'm going to show you, I've been doing a test and just give you an example of what it looks like, and definitely you should be doing this. If you're not, you definitely should be. They're giving you the tools. Here's a video here that I did do the A/B testing on. We're going to take a look at the results together right now. So let's see. So I have three different thumbnails that I have here. Let's take a look at the results and see how they're doing. So again, three dots. Let's view the report. Now they give you a test report, which is cool, right? So here's an example of three different thumbnails that I made, plain with some text and just another one with some red on it. So you can just get, I'm just trying to play around and see which one really kind of works the best. And you can see the results here. The plain one has 24%. The second one, thumbnail 2, has some text on it and some words. So not as much, 34%, which is just still pretty good. Still has 10 days left on this test, just so you know. And then the last one just says love it with some red in the bracelet, which has almost 42%. So what is that telling me? Well, maybe the red is better. I don't know. Maybe less words are better. Maybe it just pops, maybe, because you got to realize YouTube is going to rotate these and keep showing them over and over with impressions. That's what impressions do. And every time it does an impression, someone clicks on the video, and this is telling you how much they're clicking on that video, the percentage of it. Now you have to take in consideration how many views you get, how big your subscribership is, and things like that. But honestly, this is a really good tool to give you an idea of what's happening. Now it still says we have 10 days left, 10 days and 23 hours. So I'm going to do another follow-up video. So if you're new to my channel, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I do all types of videos on my channel, over 1,000 videos. So my video is designed to give you some help, tips, and tricks. It's not a niche. It's just give you some information. That's what I do. Love to share information and help teach you things. So if you have this enabled, and I think you should by now, check. Go to your thumbnail, check like I showed you with those three dots. It should be there. You should do it. Make three different thumbnails, but play with it. Most people just use their thumbnail that generates automatically, and that's sometimes just not enough. So that's what I have for you today. Follow me, follow my channel. A quick video. Just want to show you about this new A/B testing, test and compare. That's what they're calling it. Definitely do this. It'll really help grow your channel. If you're looking to grow a channel and get subscribers, this is what you need to do. So follow me, subscribe to me, and hopefully I'll help you with your journey. Appreciate it. Enjoy all my videos. I just love making videos and helping you, and hopefully this helps just a little bit. I appreciate that. Appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review, and I'll see you in 10 days.